Clyde here, doing one box personal break 2015 Donruss baseball for Joey. Today's date is March the 17th, 2015. It's your fault that I'm here, but thank you for allowing me to be here, so I appreciate it, Joe. Good luck on your box, sir. Here we go. Donruss. You say Russ in my room, I'll pimp hand you. Ross. There's your box number. I don't, actually. Is it any good? I'm overloaded on new shows right now because I'm watching, we got Game of Thrones coming back. I'm obviously a huge Walking Dead fan. The Returned is pretty good. Dig is, I'm impartial on Dig so far. We'll see. We'll see a few more episodes. And just finished up like Gold Rush for the season. That's all I really had time to watch. Oh, Top Gear. I watched Top Gear as well. The new season's going right now. The British, not the American version. The American one sucks. Tanner Faust annoys the crap out of me. I don't do the Marvel Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. either. I watched a couple and it got boring. Here you go, brother. Is it good for the Workaholics? All right, Carpenter, Iwakuma, Alex's Wood, Corbin, Cole Hamels, and John the Molester. Lester. That is a Carson Fulmer, USA, and 100 pence inserts. Cano, Bumgardner, Gold Shit, Colin, Naka Wheeler, Big Poppy insert, and Don Mattingly. That's pretty sick. Pizza, Rendon, Abreu, Cespedes, Trout, and Gordon. Jacoby Ellsbury, Elite, and Fulty Newitz, rated rookie. Encarnacion Looney, Looney. Jones, Upton, jeez, come on. Boquez, Walker, Yasiel Hui, and Willie McCovey. That one's number 273 out of 400 on the McCovey. Bye. Seager, Sandoval, Trumbo, come on, Panini. Kegel, Howard, and Robertson. It's a Kegel. There you go. And Sparkly Madness, Kenny's Vargas, of numbered 702 out of 999. Sparkly Dominator. And Everett Cabrera, Elite. You guys alive? Who's hot? Who's not? Frank Robinson, Corey Dickerson, Billy Hamilton, Matt Harvey, Francisco Rodriguez. You got a hit. Make you wait. Because I'm a dick like that. Yeah. Beltre, Holiday, Bogey. You got a bogey. Chen. Which Chen? Smith, Cole, and Chris Sale, and a Matt Adams Elite. Matt Adams. Julio Teheran. Free man. He's free. Marte Polanco, your boy. And a Byron Buxton. That one's numbered 151 out of 299. It's your boy. On the buck. Korea. Be a good one to get an auto of him. And Miguel Franco, press proof, 93 out of 99. Anything that you like so far, Joey? Alright, next. Willie McCovey, Zimmerman. Carter, Blackman, Miggy, and Santana. More Sparkly Madness of that guy, Mark Trumbo. 862 out of 299. Ooh, trippy. And Leonis Mark. Yeah. That's right. You called it right. Chris agrees with me, you know. What out of tell me what the states are doing. I don't know. What do you mean, Matt? Like as for the hits, Batista, Cueto, Sale, Frazier, Arrieta, and Wade Boggs, press proof, 33 out of 99. Altuve, insert, and it's the rookies. Kenny Stills. Did they really get rid of Kenny Stills and Jimmy Graham? No, I heard they did get rid of Jimmy Graham. Colton Wong, Mike Zunino, Chris Tillman, Jason Haywood, Danny Santana, and Jose Fernandez. Whoop. George Springer, Diamond Kings, and Jimmy rolls on in, Rollins. Wade Boggs, Kirby Puckett, Nelson Cruz, Alberts Pujols, Adrian Gonzalez, Jimmy Shields, Byron Buxton, and Jake Lamb, rated rookie. Matt Hernandez, Belt, Castro, Mauer, he's got to be right, David Wright, and Carlos Gomez, Francisco Lindor, and a Joe Mauer. Hunter Pence, Marcel Ozuna, Jared Weaver, Matt Kemp, Yordano Ventura, and the signature series of Dilson Herrera. Those are good looking, though. I really like the autos this year. Very nice looking. Rusney Castillo, he's a good one. And Mike Trout, numbered 88 out of 338. How did it just leave Colorado on a Tuesday? What in the hell, dude? I swear they do some really silly stuff. Harper, Odor, Verlander, Kluber, McCutcheon, and Utley. He's an ugly Utley. And Diamond Kings, Don Mattingly and Rendon. Kornikov, Wainwright, Votto, Pedroia, Kazmir, Ellsbury. There's my boy, King Griffey. And Yorman Rodriguez. He's your man. Yorman. What a buster. Put me to sleep with that Brian Dozier. Alvarez, LaCroix, Greinke, and that is that Ichiro variation. Jonathan LaCroix and a Freddie Freeman. He's free. Raiders picked up who? Paul Richardson? Matt, is that what you're saying? If Paul Richardson just went to the Raiders? Henderson, Kershaw, Hosmer, Perez, Price, and a Matt Barnes. Rookie auto. Matt Barnes. Chris Bryant. And Jock Peterson, red rookie. Oh, Trent Richardson, my bad. I don't know why I was thinking Paul Richardson. Thomas, Strasburg, Shoemaker, Springer, Gordon, and Martinez. Tony Gwynn and a Byron Buxton. Hi, Booger. U.R.A. Dickey, Martin, Ariando, Chapman, Gomes, Mesoraco, Mikel Franco, and Adam Wainwright. Still got a hit sit right there, too. Matt says hi, kiddo. Jackson, Rose, Lake, Big Poppy, Gardner, Hughes, and Rusney Castillo, rookie, rated rookie, and a Greg Holland. Be nice to get a Rusney on him. Brett, Davis, Stanton. God, I can't get him in one way. Braun, Yasiel Puig, And Cole Hamels, press proof, number 33 out of 199. Javier Baez. And Justin Upton, number 224 out of 274. Huh? Oh, cool. Just set it up there, please. Just set it up there, please. Thank you. Awesomeness. Whoop, whoop. Just noticed that my Topps redemption is severely off center top and bottom. Can't grade it now. Your Topps redemption, you're going to grade a redemption card? Ian Kennedy, Cabrera, Altuve, Moreno, Scherzer, Tublo, and a Paul Goldschmidt, and a Carlos Correa. All right, last bag, and we'll get to that. Ernie Banks, Brantley, Eaton, Rollins, Gray, and Santana. Danny Santana, hot off the press. I think these are one per box. So we got one in Matt's box, too. It's not numbered. There we go. Hot off the press. Daniel Norris, rookie. Diamond King, Clayton Kershaw. Yeah, it's Odell Beckham, Andre Williams to 5. Dual auto pulled out of Sterling last night. All right, Jose Abreu, Diamond Kings. Miggy. Rodriguez, and your last hit, sir, is a Jersey Kings, Andrew McCutchen. There you go. There's your boy. At least you got one in your PC. There you are, Joey. Yeah, well, he went through like, I think he bought that pack and he hit that, and then he bought the rest of the box. And we hit a Odell to 99 out of Contenders right before that. All right, there you go, Joey.